As an architect or civil engineer, Revit is the right design software that helps you to realize and express your vision. Revit is a powerful collaborative building information modeling tool which helps in conceptualizing, documenting, and communicating building design. It also improves the way you work. In Revit, the base building is drawn by placing intelligent models like walls, doors, windows, floors, roofs, stairs, etc. Unlike other traditional drafting software where building drawings are created using geometrical entities like lines, surfaces, etc. Revit automatically creates accurate floor plans, elevations, sections, schedules, 3D views, and renderings. Revit automatically refreshes when you make a change, so your model is always updated. Materials can be applied to walls, roofs, railings, and other building objects. Along with that, the material cost, weight, thermal efficiency, and other parameters can be defined. With this information, quantity estimation and costing becomes easier. Designing landscapes using Revit helps in ascertaining areas of opportunity or setbacks on the construction site in terms of geology, hydrology, scenic characteristics, etc. High-quality rendering of 3D objects can be done to get the photorealistic visualizations that speak for themselves and help communicate the design intent. Autodesk Revit for BIM is a tool for multidiscipline design that connects teams and tools and extends design to detailing. This means, in addition to being built for architects, Revit is for structural and MEP engineers, as well as construction professionals who are part of the team. The benefit of collaborating in common environment is you can more easily coordinate and share model data. Revit allows structural engineers to create their models and documentation in an advanced BIM environment. You can model 3D structural elements like columns, beams, footings, slabs, etc. using Revit Structure. Revit provides streamlined process from design through detailing to fabrication by supporting easy modeling of 3D reinforcement. Revit Structure aids in creating a detailed reinforcement design and drawing documentation along with rebar bending schedules. It provides designers with information about the design like quantities of the material, sizes of structural members, and some structural analysis calculations. Revit MEP helps MEP professionals to design, fabricate, and install complex building systems with confidence. In the past, MEP design and fabrication were disconnected from construction, resulting in confusion and conflict during installation. Nowadays, MEP professionals choose Revit as single platform to design, model, detail, and document building systems. Heating and loading calculations required to design HVAC systems can be generated automatically using Revit. Electrical systems can be designed both automatically and manually in Revit. Panel schedules can be generated easily. You can also model conduits and cable trays in Revit. You can design, model, and document plumbing systems using Revit MEP. Revit helps to understand your design before it is built. Revit provides a set of connected and interoperable solutions that further extend its power for conceptual design, analysis, collaboration, and visualization, and it contains teams, tools, and data that you need to deliver high-quality work.